frick? The breaker switch went off. What the hell? I got my friend over here, GP. Hi, GP. Hi. He's helping me with the camera. And yeah, we're gonna have to weld that, but first we need to grind it off a little bit because the plate off here, it just snapped. So we're gonna re-weld it.
It's like so close.
Yeah. That's harder. I think that's enough.
It's still out.
So.
It's still up.
I'll show you guys later how this thing runs. It runs pretty cool. GP, you're gonna break it. That's
No,
good.
it's still up.
That's good.
It's sitting. Look.
What the hell?
It's still. It's because you grinded it so hard.
Nah. Here, wait. That's good. You just weld it. Let's just weld it there.
No, I don't know because it doesn't look. Look at this. It's cracking here too. It looks like. You see that?
Let's just re-weld it there too.
Can I hit it a couple times?
Yeah. Just.
It's getting a little closer.
Hold this. I think that's good enough. Okay.
Is it
so?
in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's better.
So let's weld now. Let's grab my welder. We're gonna turn it around. GP, you're gonna go freaking blind.
I know.
You need a mask. You know, let's turn it around. So now I'm gonna weld. See how this goes. I have this. I forgot green. I have this green apron thing because I don't have the leather one. I left it at my neighbor's house and I don't have the right. I didn't have it, so I'm just gonna put this on so it doesn't burn myself. So without further ado, let's turn this welder on. Let's put it on a good ground. Let's see, what can be a good ground? Crappy because it's a little of a tight spot, so yeah, I'm cleaning it now. Let's show how it came out. Came out decent, didn't come out too good, it just came out. See right there, that weld. Yeah, it's a little of a mess, but yeah, at least it fixed the problem. So what we're gonna do next now, we're gonna mount the engine, put the throttle, make it run, then we're gonna go to the canal. See you later. Vibrating a lot, so should we grind that off, GP?
Just grind the paint, right?
Yeah.
Like right there, just grind it.
You're gonna grind it off and weld it straight line right there, so it will stop vibrating.
Wait,
So
where's sparks gonna go?
what? I have no clue. It's gonna be cooking. Oh crap! It's not on.
Well, I don't know where the sparks are going.
I can't reach in there, but the
Use
welder.
a wire brush.
Nah, the welder will. The welder will.
Just getting all this paint.
That's not gonna never get the paint off, dude. That's just gonna.
Whatever, I'll try. Get the dirt off at least.
GP? Bro, it's just welded. It's just gonna get right through.
I know. Okay.
gonna kill
It just got. Yeah, I just got the. There's mud in there. That's what I'm trying to get out. There's like a little bit of.
Hey, let's use an air compressor.
Oh yeah, sure.
Ah, I didn't fill it. Okay, never mind. We'll fill it up later.
Just screw it.
Just screw it.
Just weld it.
Screw it. Gonna put on one of these.
Oh. No, just yeah. I'll just put it there. Is that a good ground?
Actually, no, right here.
No, put it on the spring. The spring is pure metal. Jose, can
That
you?
should be good.
I have a question.
Yeah?
If you use a separate piece of metal on the side as
Let
your
me get out. I'm
ground,
gonna do it.
wait, I
Hi,
know.
JP.
I'm cleaning. Okay, bye. Here.
Motor in, bud. I'm gonna put the motor in, but there's a kind of a little problem. These pegs move all over the place. We're
No,
in a
no,
little bit of trouble.
it's fine. I've slid it in
Hey,
before.
let's
Except
put in the motor. Put in the motor.
we, can we?
What?
One second. Do you have 14 mil?
14 what?
Do you have an impact driver or no?
Nope. You have one?
Never mind.
Bro, mine is broken right now.
Because I have to take the exhaust off to fit it in.
Just put it. Put the engine in the pegs. All
Okay,
around.
here.
Move to the on the motor. Here, put it in. Oh, well, that freaking what the? That freaking Harley exhaust is pretty cool.
I told you. What the frick? You have to slide it. Jose, do you want me to show you? I can do it myself. Oh. Okay, now it's stuck. Just shut the camera
Here,
off.
just so the plate can't fit the engine in there. We have to take the gas tank, but we don't have to. We don't want to do that because it's gonna gas all over the place. We're just gonna take off the plate. Just gonna take off the plate, and so we can put the engine in. Oh frick! I'm just tightening this one. Yeah, I know. You can just talk. You don't have to stay quiet. You can talk. We just finished fixing the Maybike and we had to go through freaking living hell. Right, GP?
Yeah, to get the motor in place.
Yeah.
These pegs are
The
annoying.
that plate right there.
The gas tank, the gas cap
it was just,
blocking
it was a mess.
The clearances
but-
are horrible.
Yeah. But finally, we got it over. We got it done.
And the chain is aligned finally.
Yeah, it's good. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna
Trail
take it
riding.
out right now. JP, do you wanna turn it on? Show it.
Oh,
show
yeah.
it. Yeah. JP's gonna ride it. No, just ride it. You have to ride it. Ride it. You have it on choke, dude.
Wait, just give it a second.
Put it on run.
Okay, yeah. Oh, wait, is the gas on?
Did you put oil in there?
Yeah, there's oil.